Save the best till last. Boobies and avocados. Stiff neck. Oh! Guys, I just picked it off. It's girthy. I like to get my little bitty titties out. Hello everyone and welcome to my now annual what I got for my birthday. I did it for my 18th birthday, my 19th birthday, and now I'm coming at you with my 20th birthday. Actually, I don't think I did an 18th birthday one. Wow. Okay, anyway, so we all know I'm not the sort of person to do a disclaimer, so if you don't like these sort of videos, don't watch it. I'm not going to be offended, that is totally fine. I find these videos fascinating and I know that you guys wanted to see it, so I'm doing it. Sorry, I just hit the swan. Okay, so yes, if you haven't seen my birthday vlog, make sure to go and watch it. I will link it on the screen up here. I had the most fabulous birthday with so many people that I love, my family, Chloe, and I'm still seeing a lot of people now. I feel like the birthday celebrations are continuing. So everything that I have here is from family. I just wanted to get this video out to you guys because I feel like what's the point in doing what I got for my birthday like a month later. So drove all the way to the post office to collect one of the items, which took an hour. Let's not even go there, but let's begin my 20th birthday, what I got for my birthday. Oh, also, this beautiful balloon, I'm actually filming this a week after my birthday, so it's been a week and all these balloons are still perfectly up. Look at this one, it has my name on it. You can't really see it because of my ring light. And then look at the heart ones behind me. Those were gifted from bubblegumballoons.co.uk, so thank you so much. Their balloons are beautiful and they come ready blown, so these are going to be staying for decoration purposes for the remainder of my life, because this definitely is a bedroom that a 20-year-old would have. Not quite. So, first thing we need to introduce is the swan. Now this is from Sainsbury's. This was from their Valentine's collection, but of course Mum bought it for me for a birthday present. Now I feel like I want to call them Sally the Swan, but I feel that's really basic, so if we could come up with like a really original swan name down below, then I'd love that. But she's got a very stiff neck. Like, I know that sounds really bizarre, but literally like her neck it's girthy. Moving onwards. Oh, and she's got these really cute little legs that hang about. And yeah, I'm confused how I'm turning 20 as well. Not even turning, I am officially 20. I'm in my 3rd decade. That's depressing. So, there was a bit of a theme with my birthday, and that was unicorns. So I have a unicorn balloon over there. Actually, I have 2 different unicorn balloons. Then, I mean, Sally isn't a unicorn, but we'll go with it. She kind of looks like a unicorn. Mum got the most adorable boxes from the card factory. There's 3 different sizes, and these are what my presents were in, and I'm just going to use these for display purposes because they are the cutest thing ever. So to me, these count as a birthday present because they're adorable. Oh, going on the unicorn trend, I promise I did get some actual like presents, not just fluffy animals, but I am very much a fluffy animal person. I hug all of them at night, and I still don't have a boyfriend. Anyway, maybe for my 21st birthday I'll get a boyfriend, who knows. So this you may actually recognise from my what I got for my Christmas. I lost it and then Mum refound it and re-gifted it to me, which I'm totally happy about. So this one is called Beetroot. So this is Beetroot. It's something really random that I'm literally obsessed with, that I really wanted, that some people are going to be like, what is wrong with you, is towels. Now I've got a set. So I've got this little one. This is just a little hair towel. So it's like a creamy colour. It's got pink spots. And then the reason I love this is because of that look. It says Minnie Mouse and it has her on it. And these are actually from the Zara Home website, but they're the kids collection. So here's hoping that I'm going to be able to fit all my hair in this towel. I'm not quite sure. I'm more concerned about the body towel. It's the exact same, and on one side it's lighter and on the other side it's like a darker pink. This also has the Minnie Mouse on it. I do think these were on the sale because I think I actually sent these to Mum ages ago, like, oh my god, I need to buy these, and then she got them for me, but I wasn't doing it because of that reason. I literally just thought they were really cute. And for a kid's size, I don't think They are that small. We'll see. I definitely don't have a child-sized body, so I'll come back to you on that one. Then I got the most beautiful flowers from Scarlett, which were delivered on my birthday, and this adorable Moonpig card, which I absolutely love. Considering we've only known each other for a year, we have a plethora of memories, trips, and everything in between. So, love you, Scarlett. Mwah. See you very soon. I better. Anyway. Moving onwards. Now we all know that I've recently redecorated my bedroom, and there will be my bedroom redecoration video coming very, very shortly. I just need to do a final few touches. But Mum found this. I'm pretty sure it was from, oh, is it Paper Chase? Oh, it's Paper Chase. So it's this little drawer set from Paper Chase. Now, one thing that really annoys me about this is it's got a little mark on it. You probably can't see it on the camera. It's tiny, but like I can really see it, and like, oh. Guys, I just picked it off. Oh my god, literally it's gone. It's gone. It was just a bit of extra paint. So these are just these little like cardboard drawers. I have so much bits of crap that needs to be put away, so these are perfect. They'll also look really pretty on my desk, because I appreciate things that are pink. We may realise. You never would have guessed, would you? Okay, moving onwards. Now, from my nan, I actually got this water bottle. Now, my nan should not still be getting me birthday presents. I am 20 years old, but she knows me too well. Thank you, Nanny Pat. This is an avocado water bottle. I don't know where she got this, but it's so cute, and there is money in there, so thank you so much, Nanny. I cannot wait to use this when I go to the gym. And look at the avocado, but I will take the money out prior because I don't want soggy money. Then, okay, this piece is from ASOS. Now, we will see that we are all about the room decorations at the moment. This is a Kiss Me Love Heart light, electro light. Now, I absolutely love these sort of like electro lights, and I really, really want one saying MishaG for this wall in like bright pink, you know, like the customized ones. But this is still very, very cute. Only thing that annoys me is that it's battery operated, so I feel like this is gonna die really quickly, but I think it still looks cute for my shelves even without the batteries in them, so I do think it's adorable. This was from ASOS, and I will link the items that I can down below. I'm sure Mum won't mind me looking at the prices. Then this next item, just wow. Wow, wow. Oh my god, does it look like it's my boobies right now? Hello. So this is a boob pillow. I am gonna find something to stuff it with. Oh, I knocked over the swan. Sorry. Oh, I feel like I'm putting her in all awkward positions. I apologise. Sally. I feel like that's such a basic name. Please help me come up with a better one. Sally. Sally is a basic name though for a swan. No offence to anyone called Sally. Lovely name, but I feel like it's an obvious choice. Sally the swan. I'm just going to take my dream pillow and pop this into the pillowcase. This is from ASOS, but it's Sass & Belle. They are the cutest company. Sass & Belle, if you're looking to partner with any YouTubers, please come my way, because I have so many of your things. I absolutely love them. They're all like avocado and like booby things, you know, right up my cup of tea. Boobies and avocados. Okay, oh my god, this is really hard to stuff in. It is a bit of a weird pillow shape. Like, I think I would have preferred it to be a square, but I feel like with boobs it couldn't be square shaped. It would have looked weird. So here we have my bosom cushion all filled out. Love how the nips are gold. Like, that is sassy AF. So I'm literally gonna...
Can you just add the hearts?
Oh yeah, they are hearts. I didn't even think. I'm just gonna pull off the tag, pop my booby pillow behind me. That looks cuter than my dream one. Probably should have ironed it first, but YOLO. Then, I just threw my phone. Wow, I'm a bit too excited for this video. Then, okay, so I got this. No, I was like, Mum, how old do you think I am? Am I expecting a child? Because this is a baby's first teddy, but it is actually so cute. Now, I can tell from the packaging, this is from somewhere like TK Maxx. And to be fair, like, I could never have too many teddies and cushions and toys. Like, I really am not my own age. It's actually embarrassing. So yeah, it's even got a really cute little hat. But my thinking is this can be my travel teddy, because a lot of my teddies are too big to take in my suitcase. but this one isn't. So yes, thank you, my baby's first teddy. Maybe I should keep this actually and give it to my baby. Not that I'm pregnant, not that I have anyone to get pregnant with, not that I'm planning on having children for 10 years. Moving onwards, I also actually got a birthday present from Pretty Little Thing. I got a really cute card which is just on my shelves, and then in here it was all beautifully packaged, but I've undone all of it. I got this little makeup bag which is so me. It's bright pink and sparkly. And then I got these lippies. Now these are from Blank Canvas, no, BH Cosmetics, and they're just loads of little liquid lippies in loads of different shades, so fabulous for traveling. Thank you, Pretty Little Thing. And then, oh, I also got the robe that I wore in my birthday photo. I'll pop a picture on the screen right now so you can see. Then I got these bodysuits. Now these are funky. So this one's black and it just says PLT in sparkly diamantes. You know, if I'm gonna wear black, I need it to be sparkly and diamante. Then I have this bright orange one, which you would think like, oh, it's just a bright orange bodysuit, but it actually has this really cute added feature of the PLT along, ooh, sorry, burping, along the throat section. So no, I thought these were really, really cute, and they look mega stretchy. They sent it to me in a size 6, and they look like they'll be the perfect fit because I have a very long body. In case you didn't know, I've got a very long body. Bit of a random claim to fame. But anyway, thank you, PLT. I also got some beautiful flowers from the Boohoo Girls. Those are still going strong, so thank you so much. Save the best till last. So, you may recall in my What I Got for Christmas, I got the most adorable socks, and they were ankle socks. Well, oh, they've had an upgrade. So, Mum got me them in the nudie colour. Look at them. They are so beautiful. Now, I know you're probably thinking, those are very bougie socks, they're only socks, but because these are knee highs, like I will be wearing them with skirts, with little booties, with trainers, with literally everything. They give me all the Blair Waldorf vibes, and I absolutely love them. They're in this really beautiful like nudie colour. They've got like a sparkly fleck through them. And yeah, these are actually still available on the website, so I can link those bad boys. But then Mum also got me them in a really original colour. Look at this colour, I absolutely love it. Imagine it with like a little denim skirt. Sadly, these ones are no longer available. And I actually think these ones are from the men's section, which is so bizarre. But anyway, look how beautiful they are. I cannot wait to style these up, so make sure to follow me at Misha_Grimes to stay tuned to see how I work these. But exciting. And then final thing I have now, it's a big box, but this is actually a second-hand bikini. So it's got the GG print on it. I've just taken out the pads on one side because I'm not really a pads in a bikini sort of gal. So whoever's last owned this has actually like sewn it together at the front, which I need to cut because I like to get my little bitty titties out. Oh, I just said the word tease. Is that allowed? I feel like, oh, I want to try it on, but I'm in my joggers right now. So again, you're going to have to follow me on Instagram to see it in the summertime. So yeah, it's just a triangle bikini. It's got the string top and the string bottom. They do not sell this anywhere anymore. So somehow Mum got her magic hands on it. Second hand, go her. She's just a queen. And then the bottoms. The bottoms do look quite big on like the phalange area. So I don't know how they're going to fit. But because they have the tie sides, it's that sort of thing where they can fit everyone because they have a lot of length. So hopefully they will be fine. I always think tie sides look like a nappy when they're not on. But no, I'm so excited to wear this come the summertime. OMG, interrupting, because I just realised I forgot my favourite present. This bad boy. Mum got me fleecy bedding from Amazon, and it's literally the best thing ever.
Far better than any boyfriend.
I mean, why do you need a boyfriend when you've got fleecy bedding?
Wow.
Also, if you were doing a hunky-to-punkity in the fleecy bedding, you'd get a bit too hot. So, thank you. Next, I'll link this. It's my favourite. And yeah, I think it's fair to say I've been well and truly spoilt. We're really into decorations, you may guess from birthdays. That's just like a family thing we've started, and honestly, I, hand on heart, say that I didn't even think about opening gifts until at the end of the day. That was not my priority. I went out for brunch, then we had some dinner. Basically, I just ate my entire birthday. Me and Chloe got up to some mischief, and yeah, we filmed some videos. I was just living a normal day, and it's so weird to have birthdays now being like an adult, still not an adult, in comparison to like a child. Like, it's so bizarre, because sadly as time goes on you realise they're not so much of a big occasion, which is sad, but it's still an excuse to get dressed up, to go out, to have some fun, to let your hair down, and that's exactly what I did. Hence why I was quite hungover on the weekend after. Love that. But I'm all good. I hope you guys have enjoyed my what I got for my birthday. It's been lots of fun to film and share with you all my special presents, and thank you to the fam for spoiling me as per usual, as you do 365 days of the year. And yes, I'm going to pipe down now. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I will link the items that I can down below, but soz if they are sold out or they're no longer available, because like, I don't even know where Mum found this. She's just magic, apparently. So, I'm going to wrap up this video. Give it a like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Misha_Grimes. And I feel like I should do a giveaway in this video. That's 1,000,000% a point. Okay, it's a birthday giveaway. It's happening. Round 2, another giveaway is happening. If I'm getting presents, then you guys are getting presents. So to enter this giveaway, all you need to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, comment down below and let me know when your birthday is. Let me know the date of your birthday. Then head on over to my Instagram and give my latest photo a like and comment saying #birthday_giveaway, and follow me on Instagram. So yes, that is how you can enter the giveaway. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. I said that about 10 times, Misha. Shut up. Go and have some dinner. I'm hungry. Yas, yas, yas. Toodle pip. I love you guys lots, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. And this jumper is from Amazon, and it's so fluffy and soft. I love it.